Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends, I am going to show you guys how to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code. Friends, we want to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code. So guys, how to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code? Today friends, I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to pair Wi-Fi with QR code. Friends, open your phone setting and on your Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting, friends, first of all refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh, friends, you can see no Wi-Fi network connected. So friends, which QR code friends you want to pay scan? So first of all on it, friends, you can see tap to share password. And friends, first I will show you one network friends. I will connect here, and this network friends we will connect Oppo phone without enter any password. So friends, you can see Wi-Fi has connected and this one is not connected. So friends, we will tap on tap to share password, and friends, Oppo phone friends, you can see right side scanner option friends, tap here, and friends, now we will scan this QR code. Friends, you can see automatic this Wi-Fi network will connect on our Oppo phone device. Friends, you can see connected without enter any password. And same friends, you want to pair this 5G. So friends, tap here again friends, click on scanner option. Friends, again scan this QR code. Your Wi-Fi network will pair. As you can see, both of network will pair guys. Which network you want to use, 5G and 4G, you can tap here. Automatic your 4G will connect, and when you will click on 5G, or 5G will connect. So like that we can pair Wi-Fi network friends with QR code on our Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video friends. Do you even doubt related to guys Wi-Fi setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.